Pitta contains the properties of Agni and Jala Mahabhuta, that is fire and water elements. The qualities of Agni and Jala Mahabhuta in the Pitta dosha are Ushna, that is hot, Snigdha, that is anxious, Tikshna, that is sharp, Lagu, that is light, Visra, that is foetid, Sara, that is flowing, and Drava, which is liquid. And these qualities reflect in the body and mind of a Pitta Prakriti person. To know more about Pitta Prakriti, please watch the video till end. The Pitta type has medium build, moderately developed, flexible muscular system. And they have soft, lustrous, warm skin with yellow or olive or coppery complexion. Since they are already warm inside, cannot tolerate heat or sun, and they feel uncomfortable working or spending time in crowded places. And their nails, eyes, tongue, lips, hand, foot are coppery red in color. And they have freckles, blemishes, and tends to have bit sensitive skin. And they have high hairline with soft, greasy, blonde or reddish hair. And they tend to premature graying and thinning of hair. Their body always stay warm, and their hands and feet are never cold even in winter. And they have a good digestive fire and likes to eat a lot and also digests very quickly. And also gets angry easily if they don't get food when hungry. And they are very often thirsty and sweats a lot. And because of sweating, there is always bad odor coming from their body. And they pass urine and stools frequently. And they puts on weight quickly but loses it again quickly too. And Pitta types love sweet things and cold drinks. And they usually suffer from mouth ulcers and inflammation. And they usually prefer light, loose-fitting clothing made of natural materials in both summer and winter. Their mind is sharp and intellect is strong and able to learn quickly, and their memory is precise. They exhibit a high level of self-confidence and enjoys target-focused work. And they are a pleasure as teachers because their lessons are logically organized and everyone can follow their clear manner of expression. And they love discussions but has low tolerance levels and often reacts angrily. And they love challenges, whether that is professionally or in sport. And they like to be in control and at the center of attention. They are highly focused innovators. And they have workaholic tendencies and get the job done. So they are strong-willed, determined, and tend to have leadership qualities, simply buzzing with energy and strength with perfectionist tendencies. Their drive is called passion and their objective is to win. And they spend money more systematically. And they have a sound sleep for 7 to 8 hours. And usually see fire, gold, falling stars in their dreams. Positive, eccentric, huge charisma, focused energy, enthusiasm, passion are the positive sides, and aggression, envy, pride, hatred, jealousy, anger are the negative sides. This ends Pitta type. And hope you love this video, and don't forget to assess your Prakriti. To know your Prakriti, please fill out the form given in the description box and answer the questions precisely. Or you can find the link in the bio of my Instagram, and stay tuned for my next videos. And thanks for watching.